Hi, welcome everyone to one more episode of the Club Meet. Today we are going to see the expiry special. That is what Nifty and Bank Nifty will check it out. Tomorrow is the expiry and where things can move, how things will function from here, and we want to play the option game also. So let me share the screen with you, everyone. Please feel free to ask questions. Very important that you understand the game correctly. Okay. Okay. Two of the stock which I was looking at was this, the Hero Motors. Today it gave a bullish engulfing. So anything about 2914 can take the Hero Motors up. Okay. And one other stock which I was looking at, Bajaj Auto, which had taken at Bajaj Auto. Okay, so this is I had taken around 2900 levels. So anything about 2930 levels should push the Bajaj Auto also up. So what was the dragger today for the Nifty since the last 2-3 days is the banking stocks, right? All the banking stocks have fallen really badly. Okay, from their high, the recent high, they have been pushed down really strong, and this is the first time it has also broken the trend line. Now you can see the trend line which was there of ICICI has been broken for the first time, and tomorrow it should cross 372 on the upper side. So let us see how it goes from here. Otherwise, the demand zone for ICICI Bank is somewhere around 345 and 338 levels. Okay, wherein Kotak Bank also had broken the weekly high and then went up till 1474, again back to where it was dancing. Okay, but no up move as on now seen, right? SBI made a new high, but see, this was our weekly zone of 232, went right over there, bearish engulfing, and now coming back in that same range of this 189 levels, which it was not able to break, right? So we are here, right over here. Now we could see a up move, but anything above 197 should be a good look at. Okay, but again, this month Sun Pharma had gone right up till 558 or so, gave a bearish engulfing, and then since then it was going down. Today it has given a bullish piercing. Why I'm giving you this idea on all the stocks, please understand which are the stocks which are going to take the, see, this is the first time HDFC Bank also has gone weak. It has gone below 1101. That was our weekly zone. Okay, and first time closing below the weekly this thing. So this is the one which is dragging the Bank Nifty also down. Okay, while the Nifty zone was this 11260 zone. Okay, which seems to actually went down further, and then again it came back, and closing was strong as far as the thing was concerned. So 11350 zone, yesterday when it broke, it gave almost 100 plus points. Okay, and this is very important that you have your daily and weekly lines kept. Let's check the weekly of the Bank Nifty. Now what you can see, this is the Nifty chart. So technically Nifty is not going to go anywhere, right or wrong, unless and until we see any particular movements On the upper side, it is 11,447, 11,450 levels, and on the lower side, 11,200 levels. Okay. Today the low was 202 levels. Okay. So one more week of consolidation, which I can see going up and down. Okay. More stock specific movements are taking place. But this is the Nifty. Okay. Let's check the Axis Bank. Again broke the 445 ka weekly zone. Okay, and a 1 2 3 reversal on a weekly. Now if this doesn't go beyond 445 levels, okay, this is again a weak stock. Maybe we can see down below over here, but where it has taken the support. Okay, this has taken a support of this 424 levels. Now whether it is going to do a dancing, but again a weak stock in the Bank Nifty. Let's check the Bank Nifty weekly. Now the Bank Nifty weekly has given a 1 2 3 reversal. Okay, Bank Nifty given a 1 2 3 reversal. Now this is what we want to understand, that when there is a pressure, okay, when there is a pressure, did I punch in the record button? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So when there is a pressure, okay, and the price tends to go down, you don't have to think in terms of buying, you have to think in terms of selling. Now this is your daily chart. Now see over here, a bearish piercing, 1 or 2 days of dancing, and once it broke this 2 3 5 72 levels, and from that time gap down opening, gap down opening, gap down opening. So every time it has done a gap down opening, and it is down by almost 1000 points, technically 1200 points in a span of just 1 2 3 4 days. So this was a rally base and a drop. Again, very important for you to learn this, because this is what is going to give us the money. It's a rally base and a drop. So this was earlier the rally which took place. Okay, now this is important for us to understand, that it opened with a gap, okay, went little further up but did not sustain, and on the same day it went down straight. Okay, it went down straight, and see where it went down to. It broke the low of the previous day also, and then it has done the basing over here. Okay, this was the basing, and then a drop. So drop, base, and a drop. So now what will happen tomorrow? Anybody, any guess? Bolo.
Probably be doji tomorrow because expiry. Maybe they'll
Expiry doji. Yes. You got it right. So what we are going to see is the doji. Okay. Every time I am telling you, the price goes up, the price goes down, and then they will do a expiry like this only. So in between expiry they will do, and they will not allow anyone to make money out of it. Okay, so what we will do is, we will check the Bank Nifty and the Nifty. Okay, very important levels. See, the most important level over here was this 22,103 levels. That was the weekly from where it has gone up, and today it came down to 22,128 levels. See this? Now this was our demand zone. Technically speaking, this was the demand zone which we were looking at, but the weekly lines was at 22,103 and the low was 22,128. So lines, very, very important for you to understand that you need to have your lines in place, and that is going to help you in everything what you do. So let me take you to, let me save this for you. Okay, and let's go to 240 minutes chart. Now see this. On a 240 minutes chart also, what was the scenario? On a 240 minutes chart also, what was the scenario? Now this, is this not a bearish harami?
Clear
What
downward
happens
trend.
after the bearish harami? Price trying to go down, yes or no? So please understand, if you had seen this on a different time frame, okay, check this out, it has not gone above the 24,234 levels. Okay, did a dancing for quite some time, holding, and this was the holding point, this 23,572 which I had shown you, right? So once this level was broken decisively, what happened? Down it go, down it go, again dancing between the two levels. And this is very important for you to understand, okay, why this is happening. When in a downtrend, what happens? What is the golden nuggets? The price tend to go up and then the fall. Price tend to go up and then the fall. Yes or no? A simple trend line drawing which will give you a clear indication where what it wants to do. So tomorrow also what is going to happen? Okay, will it go up and then tend to come down, and closing should be somewhere on at this levels? Yes or no? How many of you are agreeing on this? So 22,454 level is what we are looking at.
Yeah.
So even if it goes up, okay, again the pressure will be there at 22,650 levels, and then going down and closing around this particular levels of 22,500. Are you with me? Questions? Questions?
Mayur, suppose it opens with gap only downward, then
you have to wait for exactly 5 minutes candle for a reversal to happen.
okay.
And if it opens down, gap down, okay, now this has to go below today's low, Nifty.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is now our levels is 22,087.
18. Okay.
Is our weekly weekly levels. So 22,128 was the low.
Okay.
So is it going to hold this? Wherein the demand zone of our demand zone is just around the corner only. So tomorrow there is not going to be a significant movement. ये इधर का इधर ही 200 पॉइंट ऊपर और 200 पॉइंट नीचे में डांस करेगा. Okay, it has to go and cross this line to go forward. Simple as that. See, again over here it is the same thing. Drop, base, and a drop happening. Yes or no?
Correct.
Now ये अगर ये कैंडल आपने देखा है और फिर भी आप बाई करते हो तो इट इज अ गड़बड़. यस, इंट्राडे में यू आर बाइंग, इट इज फाइन, But if you are working on a higher time frame, put value check karo, you will find the put value going up. That means the pressure is of downside. Okay, so let's quickly go and check the open interest and all the other things. Is this clear? Any doubts on this? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, let's check the 60 minute. So in the 60 minutes, see this dancing, and then the drop. Now, even if you had sold over here when it dropped, you could have easily made about 500 plus points. That is why I'm saying कि खाली दो lines के ऊपर concentrate करो, 240 minutes lines and 60 minute line. That's it. Now, during the last half an hour to 1 hour, okay, this did not go below this. There was a bullish thing and then the price going. But can you believe, since the last 4 days, okay, the puts are being going up. Yes or no? So is there a profit booking coming or not coming? Think about it. Rollover aayega ki nahi aayega? People will be switching over. So those who are in the sell, this is nothing but getting out of the positions. Okay, and let's go fast now. Add row. Okay, 22,400. Okay, so we have to first go by the 10 September mein. Call and put price. Check this out. Okay, and let me push the button over here. Check this out. मैंने आपको कितनी बार बोला है कि if you want to become an expert in the technicals के साथ में options में अगर आपको mastery लेना है, okay, तो आपको simple rules follow करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. See this, 11:20 पे ये sell होना शुरू किया, bearish engulfing, and then the prices continuously been falling. This is the call side, and what about the put side? Put side में 50 रुपये वाला going up till 351 only. Are you getting me? So ये जो sell वाला जो कार्यक्रम हो रहा है ना, if you can understand this ना, then you are going to make money on this definitely. Okay, अभी कल के लिए 12,400 में 132 है और 192 है, तो कितना पॉइंट्स हुआ टोटल मिला के? 300 पॉइंट हुआ, 300 पॉइंट्स. सो 12,400 से 300 पॉइंट्स. ओके, 500, 600, 700. सो दिस इज व्हाट एवरीबॉडी नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज ये थोड़ा समझ लो, इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. 132 का प्राइस है एंड 192 का प्राइस है. ओके, टोटल कितना हुआ?
320 ना?
हाँ,
324 ना? 314 हाँ,
राइट?
नहीं 314 सॉरी, हाँ 324 हाँ बराबर, 324
बराबर है,
324 बराबर है.
हाँ.
हाँ, लेकिन मयूर भाई ये है ना, आप देखेंगे ना कल 290 के आसपास ही खुलेगा, गैप से खुलता है ये.
हाँ अभी आप समझ लो अभी ये क्या करने वाला है वो पहले समझो। अभी इसको आप प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ये 2400 वाला कुछ नहीं किया है, देख लीजिए ये 2400 वाला पुट है, तो इससे नीचे जाने वाला है क्या अभी आप सोचो। और कॉल का प्राइस क्या हुआ, ऊपर से 1200 से नीचे आ गया, तो टोटल मिला के कितना पॉइंट्स हुआ। दैट मीन्स एवरी मंथ एवरी वीक 1000 से 1200 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट हो रहा है निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी में। अभी अगर आप 324 को गिनते हैं तो अभी हम लोग है 2400 पे, राइट। 22,400 ले रहा हूं बिकॉज इट इज एट 375, राइट। यहां से प्लस 325 करो और माइनस 325 करो, तो दैट इज योर रेंज। आर यू गेटिंग मी? लेकिन अभी आपको और एक चीज ध्यान रखना है, ये अक्टूबर सीरीज का है ना, 10वीं अक्टूबर का है, राइट। अभी उसके नेक्स्ट सीरीज का देख लो। ओके, नेक्स्ट सीरीज का कॉल और पुट मैं फिर से ऐड करता हूं यहाँ पे। हाँ यहाँ पे देख लीजिए कितना है, 439 और 495, तो कितना पॉइंट्स हुआ, ऑलमोस्ट 900 पॉइंट्स हुआ,
934,
राइट। 934 पॉइंट्स हुआ। दैट मीन्स आप सोचो सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस यहां पे 439 एंड 495 सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस है, आप सोचो। ओके, सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस का अभी आपके पास कितना पॉइंट्स होना चाहिए, दोनों मिलाकर कितना हो गया,
almost 924.
924. Can you imagine the game being played correctly? That means अभी आप plus 924 and minus 924 के हिसाब से आप चुपचाप बैठ सकते हो। Am I right or wrong?
Correct.
Now will it go 924 points up or down?
Possible.
Or it will just dance out? Are you getting me what I'm trying to put across to you all? Okay, one more. Now see, we are here at 17, right? Let us take you to the 24th. $22,400. कितना है, 611 and 629। लेकिन किधर से आया है देख लो, 2400 से आया है, 2400 से। Okay, check this out where it has come from, 800. The starting point was almost 800. Okay, now in this also, what is the this thing, if we can check this out next series में 611 and 629. कितना पॉइंट्स हो गया?
1240.
Okay. Now this is for 2,400. 22,000.
22,400, bossy.
22,400. Sorry. 22.
Even here, make the this above also.
Yeah, yeah.
मयूर भाई, लेकिन उसमें वो मैंने लेने को, मैं बाय और सेल करने को मिलता है क्या? मैंने आगे जितना हम आगे जा रहे हैं,
हाँ मिलता है ना।
मैंने उतना
ये देखिए ना, ये 60 मिनट के चार्ट में काफी सारा है, काफी सारा उसको शांति से काम करना पड़ता है इसमें। ओके ना, 100%। देखो कोई ना कोई तो काम करता ही होगा ना, तभी जाके ये यहाँ पे प्राइसिंग हो रहा है ना। ऐसा ही तो हवा में से तो नहीं आ रहा है ना, कोई ना कोई स्ट्रेटेजी बनते रहती है ना। Okay, so can you imagine now you have a range of more than 1200 points. तो 1200 points का मूवमेंट होने वाला है क्या अप एंड डाउन साइड पे? Now that is what you need to think about. Okay, now when you go to see the open interest on the upside and the downside, okay, please understand आपको हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे जाना है। डेली चार्ट में आपको ट्रेंड पकड़ना है ना, सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रेंड पकड़ना है। तो ट्रेंड पकड़ने के लिए आपको सिर्फ स्टडी करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी हायर टाइम फ्रेम्स। ओके, कॉल या तो पुट, दोनों में से कोई ना कोई बेरिश एनगल्फिंग, बुलिश एनगल्फिंग लाइंस के कट करके चले जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू गेट योर मनी। Okay, now if this is going to dance over here and close about this only, what is going to happen? ये दोनों का क्या होगा, हालत क्या होगा मेरे को बताइए। ये थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, ये थोड़ा नीचे जाएगा, फिर अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा? अगर ये 12,250 पे बंद हुआ, 12,500 पे बंद हुआ, तो ये चला जाएगा ऊपर के साइड पे, लेकिन ये तो जीरो है, हो जाएगा ना। तो ये हम लोग सेव करके रख लो आप ये सब। ओके, प्लीज सेव दिस ऑल व्हाट इज देयर। ओके, ये कल का है, मींस कल 10 तारीख का है। टेंथ का है, ये 17th का है, और ये मंथली एक्सपायरी है। ओके, एंड प्लीज स्टडी दिस। ओके, ये क्या कर रहा है देख लीजिए, ये थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, एंड एक्चुअल में एक्सपायरी के टाइम पे क्या होगा आप कंफर्म कर लेंगे। लेकिन आपको अभी भी मैं बता रहा हूं, नेक्स्ट वीक में इसके नेक्स्ट मंथ का सीरीज चालू हो जाएगा। वहां पे कोई ना कोई बायर और सेलर मिलेगा आपको ऊपर के साइड पे। 2400 पॉइंट्स, 20 मींस आप सोचो 2400 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट कमिंग डाउन टू 165, 300, तो कितना पॉइंट्स हो रहा है। 1000 पॉइंट्स बनाने में बैंक निफ्टी में तकलीफ नहीं होगी आप लोग को। ओके, इवन व्हेन द थिंग्स आर गोइंग अप एंड डाउन। ओके, एक स्टॉक के बारे में डिस्कस कर लेता हूं आपके साथ में। इज दिस क्लियर? ओके, एक स्टॉक के बारे में डिस्कस कर लेता हूं जल्दी से। एशियन पेंट,
मयूर भाई, ये थोड़ा लाइंस क्लियर कीजिए ना, वो सब लाइंस।
श्योर, डेफिनेटली।
As I said, a land of possibilities. We discussed that also on the show tonight.
सर इसका टीवी चालू है, प्लीज जरा ऑफ कर देना, म्यूट कर देना. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, नाउ Asian Paint, okay, not able to cross these 2006 levels. लेकिन just check it out. How many times the drill machine is on? एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, चार बार, पांच बार, almost 6 बार, 7 बार, 8 बार. Okay, please go and see the call and put. Please go and see. 2000 का call and put available for 50 rupees. Actually 40 rupees में मिल रहा था. Okay, अभी अगर ये 2000 के ऊपर भाग जाएगा, then what? ये 30 से 40 पॉइंट ऊपर भाग जाएगा कि नहीं भागेगा? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a 60-minute chart. This is a 60-minute chart. The drill machine is on. जैसे ये 2006 के ऊपर भागेगा, it will give you a new high. Okay, please watch this. और इसके बाद में at least 50 to 100 points का मूवमेंट मेरे को यहां से नजर आ रहा है. Okay, even while the market is down, this stock is not ready to go below this 1960 levels. And whenever it has gone, okay, ये ऊपर भाग जाता है, ऊपर भाग जाता है, ऊपर भाग जाता है, ऊपर भाग जाता है. So this is a very, very important this thing. A lot of accumulation happening right at the top. या तो distribution हो रहा है, बराबर है, लेकिन अभी के लिए if you go to see this, on a daily chart, see this, almost a flagpole वाला pattern. Weekly में देख लो, okay, coming right at the top, and something which is at the top can go further up. Okay, तो ये एक स्टॉक के ऊपर ध्यान रखना. Okay, कॉल पुट के ऊपर कम से कम ध्यान रखना. It will give you the money you need. बहुत अच्छा मूवमेंट है. मैंने ऑलरेडी एक बार इसमें काम कर चुका हूं मैं. Okay, and this could give you a proper money as far as this is concerned. Please go on a higher time frame to find out what is happening. Okay, please go on a higher time frame. And
I used to have one question.
Yeah, please.
On this Asian Paints, but I was just looking at the open interest. The highest open interest is at 2,000 currently, which is 3 lakhs.
Right.
You think that will make any difference, as in if it has to break away, or we still have to, I mean, just use that as a second tool to keep an eye on it? And only based on our lines, when the breakaway happens, then we go and buy this.
Yes. See the call. Let me show you the call. Okay, 2000 ka call. September 24th. So it's a rally and it has done a base. So anything above 60 levels on a, this is a weekly chart. Okay, daily chart में देख लीजिए. So it is dancing, right? Not gone above 60 levels. Okay, but यहाँ पे what is the bottom line? So this is your daily 40 minutes. So कल ये चांस है कि नहीं है ट्रायंगुलर ब्रेकआउट के लिए, और ये सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगुलर ब्रेकआउट होगा if everybody understand the symmetrical triangular breakout. So anything closing above this 54 levels can take it to 84 levels. Once it breaks, see 1990 तक तो पहुंचा दिया है उन्होंने. ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन ये नीचे भी नहीं जा रहा है, तो व्हाट इज द स्टॉप लॉस? मैक्स टू मैक्स 400 का लॉट साइज है ना. ओके, सो वर्क ऑन दिस. ये शायद
20
would be
rupees.
stock of the month. Okay, and check the put side of this also. See this. What is the put telling you?
Going down.
Yes. So anything below 56, it should be going down, and that is going to go up. Yes or no? तो अगर ये दोनों को, एक को बाय करना है, एक को सेल करना है, प्लीज ध्यान में रखना, जबरदस्ती से दोनों का सेल मत करके बैठ जाना. So wait for a breakout, and then at least 10-20 points we should be able to get in this particular thing. So this technically will go to zero if that remains above the 2000. Price will remain above 2000. This is going to go to zero. 60 points.
मयूर भाई कौन सा वाला है?
Asian Paint.
कौन सा स्ट्राइक प्राइस?
2000 का 2000.
2000 का. ओके, तो 2000 कॉल और पुट दोनों देख रहे हैं.
दोनों, यस, दोनों ऑलमोस्ट सेम जगह पे है. तो ब्रेकआउट के लिए राह देख, जैसे वो ब्रेकआउट मार दिया, ये जाना शुरू कर देगा नीचे. ओके, एक स्ट्राइक प्राइस नीचे का भी देख लो, एक स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऊपर का भी देख लो, लेकिन जस्ट वॉच दिस एंड प्ले अ गेम. 240 मिनट्स में इट विल वर्क आउट प्रॉपर्ली, एंड देन वी हैव अवर स्टॉप लॉसेस इन प्लेस. आराम से शांति से बैठना, पूरा का पूरा गेम पूरा महीने के लिए. ये 2 weeks लेफ्ट आउट, 2 weeks में यू विल बी एबल टू मेक प्रॉपर मनी इन दिस. राइट बॉस? Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
And expiry
Thank you very much.
check this out. You should be able to make money on this. Okay, कल सुबह को मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा ओपन होगा, थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपन होना, लेकिन अगर वो वीक हो जाएगा तो जाना गाना मना. Work on your lines 60 minutes to 40 minutes. That is going to help you out. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
राइट. एंड ये मैं पोस्ट करके रख दूंगा यूट्यूब पे, फिर लिंक, प्राइवेट लिंक भेजूंगा. इट इज नॉट ओपन फॉर एवरीवन, जस्ट अ प्राइवेट लिंक फॉर दोज हु हैव मिस्ड. ओके, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर? ओके, 6 हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू मेक इट. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट मैं ये पोस्टिंग
क्लब में कर दीजिएगा ना?
हाँ, क्लब में ही कर दूंगा, डोंट वरी.
हाँ चलो, थैंक यू बॉस.
ओके,
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
ओके,
Yeah, yeah.
बाय बाय.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
ओके.